In this video, we're going to discuss if you can get a $50,000 line of credit with just a $10 membership.
Yes, Money Magnet, you can. We're talking about A+ Federal Credit Union. Let's look at what products they have and let us show you how to get to the bag. So the first card is the Platinum card. Now, this card doesn't have an annual fee, and you know how I feel about annual fees, Money Magnet. Also, one thing I love about this card is it has a 0% APR for 18 billing cycles. So what that means is if you're doing a balance transfer or on your everyday swipes, it's no interest for the first 18 billing cycles of having the card. The other thing that I love about this card is that they have now pay over time with the card. So what you can do is you can set up a plan, and for a large purchase, just say you want to buy a refrigerator. You can have a set payment and pay for that refrigerator over time. You can't go wrong with that. But Marvin, let's dive into what other products they have to offer.
All right, let's talk about the Everyday Rewards card. All right, with this card, you get 4 times the points on dining, takeout, and delivery services for food. You get 2 times the points for grocery stores, gas stations, and EV charging. You also can earn 15,000 bonus points when you spend $500 in the first 90 days, and you earn 1 times the points on all other purchases. And remember, with this card, you get 0% for 6 months. So these cards are great if you run out of 0% and expired on another card. Now you can balance transfer over to these cards and have 0% for up to another year, maybe year and a half with the other card. Remember, guys, please like and share these videos. So we're working really hard and it helps the algorithm. Also, guys, if you're looking to get up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you look in the description and book a free business strategy call with Gloria and myself. If you have any experience with A+ Credit Union, make sure you drop a comment below so we keep up with any changes that they've made. Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, the next card is the Max Cash Preferred card. Now, with this particular card, there's no annual fee again, which you know I'm loving the no annual fee cards. You get 5% cash back in 2 categories when you spend $2,000 in combined. So that means in total of both categories in purchases each quarter. Okay, you also get $150 bonus awards when you spend $500 in the first 90 days of having the card. I also love you get 2% unlimited cash back, but you only get it in 1 category on everyday purchases. And you get 1% cash back on all other eligible purchases. Now, with this particular card, the 0% APR is only for 12 billing cycles, and it's only on balance transfers. So it's not on everyday purchases. So you have to look at the cards and look at the difference between the benefits of each card, because some cards are going to give you on balance transfers as well as your everyday swipes. And some cards it's only going to give you on balance transfer, which this card only gives you that. But Marvin, let's see what else they have.
All right, you got the Travel Rewards card. With this card, you get 4 times the points on travel, gas stations, and EV charging. You get 1.5 points on all other eligible purchases. Now you can earn 25,000 bonus points when you spend $2,000 in the next 120 days, and you get airport lounge access. So if you want to grab a bite to eat or get a drink before you take a flight, this card may be the card if you want to travel. And lastly, you get 0% for 12 months, but now it is a $99 fee for this card. With all the bonuses and the airport lounge access, it may be worth it to spend $99. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, you know how I feel about the black card. It's just the color black that makes me feel good, okay? So this is the Reserve Rewards card, okay? But with this card, it does have a $390 annual fee, okay? And you don't get any 0% interest on this particular card. So keep that in mind. But this is the big boy card, and it does come with a lot of different benefits. You earn 50,000 bonus points. That's worth $500 when you spend $4,500 in the first 90 days. Now, money magnets, keep in mind, this card may have a really, really nice limit if they're telling you they want you to spend $4,500, okay? Also, you get 2 times the points on all other eligible purchases. You get 6 times the points when you book your flights and all of your travel through their reward center. And this card gives you access to the airport lounge. So y'all know I love kicking my feet up when me and Marvin go on vacation. So these are good benefits to have when you have delayed flights, or if you're waiting, if your flight maybe get canceled,
Right.
This is a good way for you to take advantage of benefits on these type of cards.
And just so you know, guys, these are Elon-backed cards. So they're going to pull TransUnion when they pull your credit. The credit cards normally go up to $25,000 when you have an Elon card. And I would have a 700 TransUnion score before I apply for this card. Now, make sure I'd have less than 3 inquiries. But Gloria, let's jump into those $50,000 products.
Okay, Money Magnets. Now let's dive into the $50,000 loan, which is the A+ personal loan. Now with this loan, it goes up to 84 months.
Yes.
So that gives you a lot of time to pay that off with a smaller payment. I love that. And the interest rate is pretty reasonable. It's only 8.99%. And in this economy, that's pretty good.
And they also have the A+ line of credit. What I like about the line of credit is you only have to apply for it once. Remember, with a loan, once you pay it off, you're going to have to apply again. With a line of credit, you can use it, pay it off, use it, pay it off. And remember, these type of products are good if you're trying to consolidate your credit cards, you're trying to pay for some school tuition for your kids, or maybe you're trying to remodel your house, or maybe an emergency came up. Lines of credit and loans are great products. And with the line of credit, they have interest rates as low as 10.24%, which is good in this economy. And guys, think about it. We're telling you to have these big lines of credit and loans so that you can start a part-time business. Remember, we're not trying to advocate that you guys go deep in debt. We want you to get access to this money so you can start a business and actually have extra income.
And one thing that I do love about their line of credit, Marvin, you can transfer that line of credit right into your checking account.
Yes.
And it's available for you to use as you see fit.
That's dope. And Gloria, let's jump into the auto loans.
Now, Money Magnets, I'm going to give you a good assessment of this. Now, we've done several other credit unions that their auto loans is a little bit better, but I'm going to go ahead and dive into this one and tell you what they do have to offer, okay? Because this still is a good institution for you to join.
Yeah.
So with their auto loans, they only go up to 66 months, and that goes for new or used vehicles, and the interest rate is as low as 5.74%. But I've seen some auto loans, that are much better than this particular loan. But I do love what credit cards they have and the loan products that they have.
And then keep in mind, if you're stuck in an auto loan where you got a super high interest rate with other companies, you can refinance and get it down to like 5.74% with A+ Credit Union. Now, I want you guys to know that they're based in Texas, but anyone can join if you join the A+ Foundation for only $10. So it doesn't matter where you stay at. You definitely can apply for the credit cards. Now, we're going to jump into mortgages. You may have to live in Texas in order to get a mortgage. But Gloria, let's tell them about those products.
Okay, now on their mortgages, Money Magnets, they have some pretty decent rates. They have a 15-year fixed rate. They have a 30-year fixed rate. And on the 15-year, it's about 6.2%.
Right.
I think that's pretty good, Marvin.
Yeah, and they also have a 15-year fixed jumbo rate and a 30-year fixed jumbo rate. They have a lot of products when it comes to buying a home. If you're a first-time home buyer and you're buying in Texas, I think this may be a great place to look. They also have a 5-year adjustable rate and a 10-year adjustable rate as low as 6.5%. Now, those rates sound pretty good to me, Gloria.
Now, Money Magnets, keep in mind when you're joining this credit union, you want to make sure that you have over a 700 credit score.
Right.
You want to make sure that you have all of your bureaus unfrozen. Don't have any fraud alerts, any freezes on your credit, because that's really important. We've seen so many times where people are denied because they have a fraud alert or a freeze on their credit.
And keep in mind, your check systems is very important when you're joining credit unions. You want to make sure you have less than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months. And then when Gloria called, we found out the personal loan, the line of credit, and the auto, they'll look at Experian. When it comes to the credit cards, they're going to look at TransUnion. And when we're talking about the mortgages, Normally they pull all three. You're going to have 2 years taxes, 2 months bank statements, and 2 pay stubs. And then if you're trying to go for that $50,000 line of credit, remember, the closer you get to $50,000, probably the more they're going to ask for docs. And if when you're looking for a line of credit, they're probably going to look at pay stubs and bank statements. So just be prepared, guys. We want you guys to get approved and get the bag.
Okay, and Marvin, let's not forget to tell the money magnets that when they do pull your credit, it's a soft pull and it's good for 60 days. So you can double dip with this particular credit union and get multiple products with one soft pull.
And if you refer anybody to this credit union, you get $50 per referral.
Hold up. I have a gem.
What you got, Glenn?
Okay, money magnets, if you're looking for another credit union that has $50,000 limits, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.